Alright, video number 2 on how to install an auxiliary into your Alpine CD player. This one being a 7873, yeah, CDA 7873 model. We're using the AINet line, which is an input line, normally used for CD changer or satellite radio. And as you can see, I have the head unit already installed. I wasn't really thinking about the input line having hot and ground already to it, so whenever I strip the wires out here, I obviously only need 3 wires, so I cut the rest off and had a little bit of sparkage and some smoke coming out. So obviously you want to do the logical thing and disconnect the stereo or the battery, or pull the fuse, because I'm getting ready to replace the fuse. And yeah, usually whenever you hear somebody start the video off with first you unhook your battery, usually you go, yeah, but not this time. Yeah, I should unhook the battery first, but that's how you learn the hard way. Alright, here's our plug, minus the casing that we're messing with. Obviously, if you ever plan on reusing this, you probably don't want to mangle it up like I did. But I needed to pull this so I could see what color wires go into it, because normally you have red and white for your, or red, white, and black is normally your input lines. But this one happens to be green, blue, and gray for your ground, which the gray wire loses its insulation and it's kind of like an open, it's kind of like a floating wire. I don't know what the hell you call it, but it's like an open ground. And obviously I try to pull these wires apart because I don't want them grounding together. I said I probably should have done the smarter thing, and instead of just cutting them all off, I probably should have taped off the power and ground. Guess I'll see whenever I put a new fuse in. But we've got, well, what I'm doing is I'm going to hook up a Bluetooth to it. But I'm going to do a permanent mount. I got this little panel right here that's got knob for my amplifier, power switch, and another switch for lights on my subs. They're not hooked up. But I'm going to mount just your normal auxiliary jack. I kind of got the 2-for-1 special, which is a smarter deal. I got the one that had 2 female jacks that Y into a single 3.5mm auxiliary port. So I was going to use it for parts anyway, so I ended up with actually 2 females and 1 male for pretty much close to the same price as just a regular auxiliary cord. I think it was $4 or something. But leaves me with a pretty decent auxiliary here. And I mean, it's not too complicated to hook up 3 wires. This one here, I had to test it out because they just had to throw a yellow one in there. But the yellow one is ground, and then red and white is your left and right. Now, pretty much you can hook this up in a 2-wire or 3-wire. You can connect the two left. You can connect the left and right speaker wires, and then keep the ground separate. Or you can wire them up individually. Pretty much you'd have to test it out to find out which one goes where. Because I mean, if you hook it up and plug your phone in and you use an equalizer, you fade it all to the left and it's all on your right speakers, and you got it backwards. But hopefully that's not the case, and we're going to see how this works.